So, you've collected donations and consignment items and are ready to create your auction catalog. Let me show you how it's done. First, each item needs to be entered as a donation, tied to a donor. Entering these items separately creates a clear history for your event, as well as, if you are using our bid sheet or Mobile Pro package, provides you the ability to produce specific thank you notes from our marketing and communications resources. Let's get started. From the left side navigation, select the Donations menu option and then choose Enter Donation. In this first step, we identify the donor of the item. It's important to avoid duplicate entries, so always search first to see if your donor has already been entered into the system by another user or during a previous event. If you have already entered donors, you will see a list of the donor names you have entered. Either select a contact from the list of your donors or from the search results, or if you're sure the donor is not in the system, click to add a new contact. This is the path we will take. If the donation comes from a company and not a specific person, enter Community Supporter as the first name and use the company name as the last name. Only first and last name are required, but the more information you enter here, the more useful your contact database becomes. If you're using BidSheet or Mobile Pro, also enter the donor's website and logo. These will display in the auction catalog and on display sheets to help you promote your generous donor. Once your donor's info is entered, click the Add Contact button. This will take you to the Add a Donation page. This page will list any previous donations the donor has given. You can use the previous donations list to automatically populate the fields with data from a previous donation, pictures included. Otherwise, enter a title and description. These will display on bid sheets and in the auction catalog. Include other optional fields like restrictions, donation notes, which are perfect for a live auctioneer, website, and tag. Select a donation category. This is used to help calculate the maximum bid, or buy it now price, as well as organize your event reporting. Time to add photos. Click here or drag the photos you wish to include with the donation to the drop zone. You can even add photos directly from your phone library or take a photo in real time. The software will convert your live photos and movies into the appropriate file type as you upload. Pro tip: landscape photos work best and really make your catalog look fantastic. Turn your phone sideways before you snap a photo for your donation. You can upload up to 5 images or movies, and all will display in the online auction catalog. Enter the market value of the item, select an item status, and enter quantity donated. Now click the Add Donation button. Pat yourself on the back. Step 1 is done. Once all your donations are entered into the system, it's time to convert those donations to auction items. Silent Auction Pro can handle all kinds of auction types. For example, silent auction, live auction, and top-end bidders win, just to name a few. You can also use the auction catalog as a place to sell fixed price items, to showcase raffle prizes, and to highlight sponsors. Let's assume you want to bundle 2 items into an auction package. Navigate to Auction Admin and choose Manage Auction Items. Now click Create Auction Item Bundle. On this page, you will enter an identifying auction number. Any number you choose is allowable as long as it hasn't been used before. Click the Next button. Here, we will choose the donations to be pulled into the auction bundle. Scroll to find your chosen donations and drag them each into the auction item box on the right. Click the Next button. In Step 3, we finalize the details. You'll need an auction item title, that will display on the auction catalog page. Next, choose the auction type. The type dictates how the software will present the auction item. For example, will it show as priceless? Will it have a buy it now price? Is it a silent or live auction item? Verify that the category for the auction item is correct. Again, the category drives the max bid or buy it now price, as well as calculates return on investment in your event reporting. In the Assign Catalog Image section of the page, you will choose the image that should display on the auction catalog page. You can choose from any of the images associated with this bundle, or you can upload a new image. The image you choose will display on the main auction catalog page, as well as on printed display sheets. Remember, each donation in the bundle will display all of the images associated with it when the bidder views this auction item on the detail page. If you'd like to add an additional description that will display at the top of the auction item detail page, click the Use Custom Description checkbox and type your new description here. If you're ready for this item to display in the catalog, select Yes for Show in Online Bidding. If you want this item to be hidden from public view, select No. The minimum bid, buy it now, and bid increment are all filled in with suggested values. Accept them as is or adjust as needed. When you're ready, click the Add Auction Item button. Last step. Let's be sure the bidding start and end time is set correctly. Navigate to Auction Admin and choose Manage Auction Items. Here, click Manage Online Bidding. You can update the bidding start and end time. Also, double-check your time zone. Click the Save Bidding Options button. Finally, let's take a peek at the auction catalog to see how things are shaping up. Looks great. Still have questions? Give us a call or send us an email, and we'll be happy to help.